Hey there, it's Cody at Guy's Camperway here in Mankato, Minnesota. Today we are going to look at a 2011 Jayco Jay Series 1206 pop-up. This will have an electric lift with a manual override. We'll take a walk around the outside. We'll look at some of the features and then we'll move to the inside and show you some on there. So on the exterior here you'll have 4-point manual stabilizer jacks. 20-pound propane tank. You also have a storage compartment up front here. A little slide out on this side. Your furnace exhaust will be over here. Outside shower. City water connection. Built-in power cable. Back here would be your manual override for your pop-up. Nice screen door. As soon as you step in here, be your controls for that power, radio. The very front bed here is going to be a 70 by 75 inch. And you've got a collapsible dinette. A kitchen area, you can set up a grill here. Sink. There's a little fridge down here. Thermostat. Back bed is a 65 by 75. Got a jackknife sofa here that will also collapse down into a bed. Roof mount AC. And then in each one of the side pop outs here, we've got one of these fan slash lights. Tons of storage. If you have any questions about this particular unit or any units that we stock, you can reach us at 1-800-714-7895. Again, my name is Cody. Give us a call and let us help you out.